Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. Today is 16th of December. So I'd like us to start off with the chart on the screen. This is the GBP USD. On this chart, the price was within some channel formation. We had a resistance here. We had a resistance here. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. The price broke above this resistance. But as you can see, even now, we do have some range here. You can see it. We have the upper line forming part of this range 1.32676, 1.31347. So while the price remains above these two lines, you're waiting for a sell from the top and a buy from the bottom. So if the price breaks above this line, then that will mean we are now continuing to the upper side, at least up to the next line, which I have this one here. And if the price breaks below the lower line, then that will be the ideal place to look for a sell from. That's my opinion on GBP USD. On Euro USD, we also have some shape formation. You can see it here. We have like a contracting wedge formation. We had a resistance here, a resistance. We had a resistance. We have a support here. We have a support. We have a support here. If the price moves up and touches the upper line, then that should act as the best place to look for a sell from. So should the price go up and touch this line, then we should look for a sell position, at least up to the trend line we have at the bottom here. The other symbol is the US dollar Japanese yen. This chart makes sense on the daily chart. We have like an expanding wedge formation. From this date here, the price entered into this shape formation. If you didn't took a sell here, you could have taken a buy here. If you've noted it already, then expect price maybe continue up at least up to this trend line. Expect price to continue up to this trend line here. Or if the price bounces off from this point, then expect it to move down at least up to this trend line, the one we have at the very bottom. So as it is right now, we are waiting for what will happen around this area here. If the price clearly ascend and close above 114.082, then that will mean we are now continuing upwards, at least up to somewhere along this trend line. The next symbol which I'd like us to look at, this is the Brent oil. So the Brent oil, so far I can't see a clear signal except for a sell which we have on the monthly chart. On the weekly chart, there is nothing much. Just a second, let me remove the two lines we have on our screen. That's the ask line and the bid price. I've removed them. This chart, as I keep mentioning, these are the levels I'm interested in. I have a level here, and I have another one. So then I have another one here, and then I have another one here. Then I have another one here, and then I have another one here. So if the price, as long as the price is held above 7274.7, we are interested in buy positions temporarily on the weekly chart. We do expect price to extend itself to the upper side. It should continue up and even touch this level here, where if it breaks beyond it, then that will mean we are now continuing even higher. So as it is now, this is some shape which is also forming on this chart. So I was saying, as it is now, we do expect price to continue to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So if the price continues upwards, then we do expect it to go up at least up to this point here. The next symbol is gold. On gold, we do have a similar shape formation. We have a contracting wedge formation. Have this. Have another. So either the price needs to come down up to this point here, touch it, and then continue up to the line we have at the top. Or if the price breaks below this lower line, then expect it to move down up to this point here. Expect it to extend itself. We have another target here. So should the price breaks below this point, then we expect it to go down up to the first target. Then the next target is the one we have at the very bottom. Then if the price, instead of going down, continues up and ends up above this line, above the upper trend line, then expect it to continue up to this point. Then the next target is this one here. So we'll look at the next symbol, the SP500. So this is bullish. There is no sign for a sell on this chart. So as I mentioned some few days ago, this chart is not good for a sell at all. I recommend you keep looking for more sell positions, keep looking for more sell orders, buy orders. Expect price to go at least up to 5K. So where the price is now is still a buy place. The price pulls back down is still a buy place. All we're waiting for is for price to give us a clear buy signal, maybe a pin bar, a bullish pin bar, maybe a bullish engulf candle, or a bullish inside back candles. Or if the price bounces off of a moving average, then that will give us a correction for a sell. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of the session. We are going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.